Now, if you're like me, you like being warm and cosy. And you can, yes, you could leave your van running with all the heating and controls on and up and nice and warm and cosy. But the only problem with that is, yeah, you have to leave your keys in the van. Someone could take it. So this is where this little diesel heater comes in fantastically handy. With a 12-volt supply, you can get to it, and it's just got a little control panel. Give that a couple of second push, and there we go. It will start to come on. The fan starts going. So after a few minutes of being on, it starts kicking some heat out. Look at this, it all comes with this and 2 little ducts that come out to get your van nice and warm, and a little filter it comes with, the little pump that you install, which is in there, and that all runs off a diesel. All it needs is a small 12-volt supply, and the size of the tank, well, I swear I've had that amount of diesel in there for a few weeks now, and I use it a couple of hours a day at least. So if you filled that tank up, yeah, I think you've got a decent bit of heat. But that is easy to install with your little diesel pipe, and it will warm your van up beautifully. So while you're out and about, you can hang your gloves up, and they can become nice and warm as well. Straight in front of that heater. Look at that, beautiful. And to turn it off, just hold that button there. Well, the beauty of it is you don't have to hold the button in the back. It comes with a little remote, so you can turn it on and off remotely. Sitting in your house, you can turn that heater on for half hour, so when you get in your vehicle, it's lovely and cosy. And the reason I got it was for him. After we've been out for a long hard walk and I have to go in someone's house, carry on working, you can sit in there and he can be nice and cosy with the van locked up so no one can steal it, and he'll be warm in the heat.